Okay, so we're back with Spider-Man. We're still wearing this suit because someone commented that we should just play the rest of the game in it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever we get all the way over
Yuri,
there.
I've been meaning to ask. How does Sable's team feel about our special relationship?
Oh, they love it.
That bad, huh?
Let's just say if they ever found out how much info I feed you, a cell in Rikers would be the least of my problems.
I don't want to put you at risk. If it's easy to cut off communication.
Hell with that. The city needs us working together now more than ever. Screw Sable. It's business as usual.
That's why you're the best, Yuri.
Oh yeah.
Nothing shakes you.
Damn right.
Damn. Devil's breath is gone.
Oh yeah.
I should call MJ and warn her.
This is Mary Jane Watson. Please leave a detailed message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Damn.
What are you up to now, MJ?
Hell, she's doing something. Like always. Alright. Playing as MJ.
Standish said the demons are looking for something at GCT.
Or should I
But
say
what could they
Black Cat?
possibly need
Because
here?
that's who we're playing
Should
as.
probably call Peter and let him know what I'm doing. Actually, scratch that. He'd probably just tell me to go home and chain myself to my laptop. I'll just check things out quick and let him know what I find.
Okay.
That recharges itself from sound waves.
Don't care. Why are all these guys doing all this stuff?
Just a few years ago,
My
optical camouflage
Cool.
was the stuff of science fiction films. But with
She's
Oscorp's
invisible. What?
patented magnetic resonance arrays, cloaking fields
Huh.
are very much
Cool.
reality. Try it for yourself and see how Oscorp is making your world better each and every day.
Incredible.
I don't want to mess with that. What are you?
This Gaia microbe dispersal device releases specially formulated
I can't
microbes
back out.
into the atmosphere,
Help.
and in turn leaves
There's-
our
that's a cutscene.
oceans and rivers
That's why.
cleaner than when man first walked the earth.
Her elbows are really making me laugh here. Oh, hello.
Mr. Lee.
This will be easier for everyone if you remain calm and do as I say.
Police! Over here! No!
Ooh. God damn. Well, he's dead. Jesus. It really just said, fuck this guy. That's an oof. Right. Ouch. God. Pew, 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 pew. Is there a mod that changes the gun sounds to pews? Might have to look for that. Because that would be amazing. Every gunshot, they'd just say pew, pew, pew instead of the gunshot sound. That'd be
Mayor
fun.
Osborne's office.
I would like to speak to Mayor Osborne,
Who's calling?
the man he is looking for.
You sure
What do you
that's
want?
what he's looking for?
I want you at Grand Central Terminal in 30 minutes. By yourself. Or there'll be more blood on your hands.
Uh-oh. You didn't get a response. Why'd you crush the phone so quick? Isn't that the bad stuff? Yep.
MJ, I'm on my way. Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. Just hurry.
Going as fast as I can. What are you doing at GCT?
I'll
Your
explain
mom,
later. Listen,
bitch.
Lee's going to release the Devil's Breath.
You gotta get out of there.
He's not gonna do it until Norman Osborn gets here.
Good shit.
Wait, this must have been Lee's plan all along. Make Norman responsible by forcing him to release the Devil's Breath himself.
Sort of makes sense.
Nobody
in a
cares.
twisted, psychotic
Not your
way.
double
Okay, I'm
breath.
here. Coming into the terminal now. Anything I should be on the lookout for?
X.
Looks like he's got some
Hell yeah.
drones patrolling. Guess he's prepared for you.
Drones.
Don't worry, I'm in the ventilation
Everybody
system.
seems to have drones
Can you
in
see a
this
safe
game.
exit
Did you
point?
notice that?
Why don't they just take our money and leave?
Find an entrance point. Oh.
Southwest corner.
On my way.
Found it. I think that was kind of easy. Hey, look, there's our boy. Whee! Yeah.
If I get any closer, the drones will spot me.
See that tablet I'm looking at? That controls the
tablet.
drones.
Think you can snag it?
Yes.
Can I play
If you
games
can
on your
distract them
tablet?
and not get shot.
I'm ready. Tell me when.
I want to play games on your tablet.
Okay. I'm ready.
Incoming.
那是什么？
I don't even know what he said. Wonder if that's like real Chinese or is it just random?
Okay, move.
I can move to that thingy. I go. Hi, fella. Yoink.
They're not gonna take me without a fight.
You're dumb. Yep. You're an idiot.
Wait!
MJ, what are you doing?
Let's all just
Ah, the
relax.
elbows.
不然把你也
Listen, I'm a reporter. I have a direct line to Mayor Osborne. I can help make sure he
Fancy.
arrives on time.
How?
First, let him go.
No.
先生，
Don't
这
do
记
it.
者说他知道
Don't
怎么
let
找到
him
奥斯
go.
本。遵命，
Make him die.
把他带到这边来，跟其他人分开。李先生马上就到。
Hey, don't push me, bitch. Can't wait till Spider-Man kills your ass. Oh wait, he doesn't kill, does he? You know what I mean. Yep, there he is. Hanging around like a little spider. Easy. Now
They're
what?
coming. Jump over the railing.
What? That's a far jump, man. I don't have spider. Okay. Guess that's fine.
Can't let him see me.
So, since you can't see me, go up the other step. Haha, bitch. Fuck you. Alright. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Drones,
Hey,
get to
you
cover.
said this
You still got that tablet?
Yeah.
No.
Better work fast.
Okay, I got this.
Wait, where the fuck was she hiding that? It's a skin-tight costume. Where in the world does she have the tablet?
I did it.
Good job. Now let's get you out of here.
What about the devil's breath?
I'll come back for it.
No, we're partners, remember?
Can we argue later?
No.
If we don't help those people, they could
Women.
So could you. I
They
can't
don't
let
like
that
to
happen.
listen.
die. No. No, I got myself into this. I'm getting myself out.
What do you mean you got yourself into this?
You dumb bitch.
I
Okay,
don't like this. There's too many of them.
Then let's start taking them out. Quietly.
you're gonna come over here, right? No. I'll make you come over here. You bitch. X?
That did it. Grab him.
Ooh. Neat. How you doing up there? Oh! Where'd he go? What
Take
the
him.
what? What? How the... What? I'm... Okay. Okay, so he literally just pooped out of here. Pooped?
See if you can break up that
Jesus.
group.
I'm gonna try and separate them.
No shit! It's what he just told you to
Now.
do. Whee! He's gonna he's gonna disappear? Yep.
Take
He
him
said,
out.
I'm out this bitch. And we're gonna grab this guy.
MJ, did you know Lee would be here?
Not exactly.
What do you mean?
I thought something might happen, but not like this.
Why didn't you tell me? I thought we were partners.
Hey, partners trust each other, Peter.
Oh, I
do you
can
mean?
use
I
this.
trust
Oh
you.
no!
Yeah, when I'm sitting at home behind a laptop.
Oh, come on.
Can we please get back to saving the city here?
That was close. That was very, very close. Okay. You over here. That. You over here. Bitch.
Do it.
Yoink. And then we're gonna yoink that man. Go over there. And. Yeah.
Take him.
What would happen if I would have gotten caught while he's getting
在
webbed
哪
up?
里？
Would it do anything?
他就在这儿附近。
I kind of
我
want
们
to try
很
it, but
快
I
就可以
know
抓到他。
this is probably
pass
over.
him.
So
I'm ready.
无人机还戒备着吗？
攻势激战。
如果他跑掉了
Ouch. God
，start the
damn.
timer.
Timer for 2 minutes. Okay.
Now's your chance.
Head over here. Hi guys.
Keep him
how are
busy.
ya?
I'll take care of the devil's
What the
breath.
fuck?
You know what you're doing?
No. That's never
Rotate.
stopped me before. Oh, okay. Looks like the blue is connected to the battery, and yellow to a fan.
So
Red.
this
Okay.
one.
Pull the first wire.
Now the second one.
We're gonna go with that one. Uh-oh.
The timer just changed to 30 seconds.
That
Okay,
one.
now the red one.
And red one. Yeah!
You did it.
I did it!
Yeah. Now let's get these people out of here. I could use a little Spidey help. You ready?
Some Spidey help.
Right.
Okay, cool.
I'll
So
clear a
now
path.
I can
Try
do
to
what
do
I'm
it
good at.
quietly.
Will do.
Quietly isn't really my style, but try it anyway. Bitch. Bitch. Ouch. Some of these things look like they fucking hurt so bad.
Gotta be careful or the hostages will get hurt.
Yoink. How did he not see that happen? He just didn't care? Guess not. Alright. Since I can't do anything to those ones. Bitch. Uh-oh.
Why is Lee so helping on terrorizing New York?
Bitch. Okay. Wink. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
基本安全，这至少不可能穿过无人机。
Wink. Bitch. Do I need to go down for? Back up to this one. Easy. Kinda easy. Stealth in this game is not the hardest. I'm not gonna
Just
lie.
need to take out a few more. Then it'll be safe for you to move.
Hurry!
Wink.
定睛点人质。
Bitch.
Never would have taken hostages like this. He was right. I'm starting to miss him. Okay, MJ, time to go.
Don't miss the big dude, that fat dude.
Everyone, follow me!
I thought I had a joke
别
for
管
him,
人
but
质
I
的，
didn't.
拿下
So.
蜘蛛侠。
MJ,
Oh my
did you
God.
make it out?
Yeah, everyone's safe.
Good job.
Hey, Peter.
Yeah?
Out of there, we should talk.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
First, finally,
Definitely
kick
not
his ass.
busy or anything right now.
Feel bad for anyone who's on the wrong side of MJ. Wonder what side I'm on right now.
He missed. Missed again. Ow. That looked like it hurt. A lot of these looks like they would hurt so badly.
准备火箭筒。
Bitch.
Okay, guys, trivia time.
Fuck it.
Did you know Grand Central has the largest basement in New York City?
Wow. Fancy. How do you just know that?
Crazy, right?
Seems like a very
Fit half the
useless
Brooklyn
thing
Bridge
to know.
down there. Ha! I agree. They should.
我要上列车
Didn't even talk,
我是蜘蛛
dude.
侠。
What are you on about?
Lee's escape plan is to use the train. Can't let him get away. Train platform is open.
Oh!
That must be where
Jesus.
Lee is.
Oh, okay.
Lee's getting away.
Hey! What's up, bud?
Finally.
Finally? Finally
Sorry I'm
what?
late. It's kind of my thing.
I mean, it is. Bitch. I webbed them up. Bitch. Okay. Ouch.
Why are you doing this? Paying off an old debt.
Okay. Well, Well, that doesn't seem very helpful. What, you're just gonna stand there? Really best shot. Uh-oh.
Better keep my distance for now.
Oh.
That's it. Better wait for an opening.
So I have to keep my distance and just keep dodging.
He's hurt.
I was dodging out of the way. Haha. You missed. Missed again. Really bad at this, man. You think you'd be better.
Time to get closer and finish this.
Since this is like a boss fight and all.
You're sick. Let me help you.
Get off of me. Bitch. Just elbowed him in the head. Ouchie. And bitch. Sideways again. Uh-oh. Did it too early. Really bad. Like, very bad. Kick. Uh-oh. Dodge out of the way. Uh-oh. Get the... Got it! Oh. Come on, you can do better than this. Uh-oh. When I do stupid things like that, it's not helping. Bitch. Get the fuck out of here. And dodge. Hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It's really bad. It only hit me a lot because of me being an absolute idiot. That ain't happening.
I don't want to hurt you! Nothing can hurt me! Not anymore!
I'm sure about that. Bitch.
No brakes? No problem.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop the damn train. Tobey Maguire style. Well, shit.
It totally worked last time.
Well,
Yuri, they still doing
that didn't
construction
work
on
out.
42nd and 1st?
No.
Street's closed for another month. Why?
There's a reason. Onward! Jesus. Hey, we did it. Epic gamer moment.
Next
Hey.
stop, prison.
That's the best stop for you, bud. Loading. Oh hey, look at you with your little head strap. Hope you enjoy your head strap. Devil's breath.
Get that cargo back to the lab.
Why would you put that inside a truck by itself? Won't it like move around in that giant opening in there? Like honestly,
This is
that
Mary
just
Jane
doesn't
Watson.
seem like
Please
a
leave a
smart
detailed
idea.
message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Hey, it's me. Let me know when you want to talk.
I don't think she ever will, bro. I'm sorry. Sorry to tell you. Not ready to talk yet. What?
Texting isn't talking?
I was just about to say the same thing. So I don't see how that would be helpful. Okay, it's over, by the way. Oof. Oh no.
No, not that kind of over!
Oh damn. Watch her hit him with the O. I fucking knew it. What you gonna say, Pete?
Please say no, please say no.
Hey, that's good.
Okay.
Look at you. But it made me trippy.
And not
Oof.
okay.
Need some time just to fuck.
What is there to figure out?
It's got a point. Sure, me too. You think?
Oh, you think?
Maybe. Oof.
Great.
Man, that sucks. Well.
You did it. Lee's off to the raft. The Devil's
Hello.
Breath is safe with Sable. How do you feel?
How do I feel? How much time do you have?
Not much. Heroics for you means paperwork for me. But I just wanted to
Paperwork
say,
is never good.
Good job.
Thanks, Yuri. I kinda needed that.
No, you didn't. Don't lie. Okay. So,
All this time with Lee, I've been ignoring the city.
Oh.
Time to get back to being a friendly neighborhood Spidey.
No, that's my time to end the video. So, with that, we're gonna end this video. It's gonna be a shorter one because that mission wasn't very long, and I don't.
All
wanna keep
units,
going
pursuit in
'cause
progress of masked
reasons.
terrorists believed to have a bomb.
You son of a
Nearby
bitch!
officers, please proceed to the West Village.
Okay, but this is gonna be the end. Bye.